Tutorial to create ticket or create ticket on behalf. First tap on Create Ticket. Then select your department. Then select Priority. Then select Assignee. Then enter your subject. Then describe about concern and use top tools for bold, italic, or underline. If you are creating ticket for some other employee from your ID, select the name. From On Behalf tab, select Approval if needed. Now select Category and Subcategory. Now select Item from Item drop-down. Now add the relevant attachment for your ticket and better assistant for assignee to work on your ticket. Then tap Create Ticket and your ticket has been created. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.